noise pollution and production due to the firecrackers and loud music. Restrictions are there. Pollution Control Board directives are there. Nobody follows. And enforcement also, till the civil society comes and writes and does something, gets onto the street. The administration is very lackadaisical. You know, पंत बघता सांगपाक कायदे सगळे आसा म्हणल्यार कायदा पालन ना. कितें करपाचें? आमी कोणाचेर आड ना. म्हणजे थारायल्ल्या प्रमाणार करा न्ही, डू विदिन लिमिट्स. Keep that stipulation of time, the high decibels. जाणटी, भुरगीं, ओस्कोत, दुयेंत आनी जनावरां आनी पक्षी सगळ्याकच हे मात. We don't understand still. आमी शिकिल्ली लोकशाही काय अडाणी लोकशाही? अडाणी लोकशाही खूप सेन्सिटिव्ह आसा. जतनाय घेता, काळजी घेता दुसऱ्याची. आमकां फक्त हे म्हणपाचें आसा, बाबा कायद्या भितर कितें बसता तें करा. आता आमची हेरिटेज हे जाल्या, इन्फेक्शन जाल्लें आसा. जायते भशेचे हेरिटेज आमचे तकलेर थमयल्या. As in Goa of my times and Goa that I loved and remember till today is nowhere what it is presently happening. व्हडल्यान आवाज करप, फटाके बॉम्ब मारप, कोणा खातीर ते? We are only killing ourselves. आमी आमच्याच पायार बडी मारतात. हे करूं नये आनी शिस्तीत रावल्यार तितून पीस आसा, तितून जगपाक आमकां शांती आसा आनी बरे भशेन सगळ्याचे सण साजरा बरे करून करात. वी विश यू वेल. But want to remind you, मर्यादे भितर राहा.
Today we have come to meet the SP. Okay, we have attached one directive from the Supreme Court, which says it is very well said by the Supreme Court, and it has to be enforced by the SP. Okay, so regarding the firecrackers and loud noise and air pollution. Now we have come to request the SP to enforce this. Second thing is, we are not against anybody's festivals. We also celebrate Diwali. We celebrate Ganesh. We are fun-loving people. We want to celebrate all, but not at the cost of inconveniencing animals and patients and elderly people. And second thing is, we will also come again. Okay, so that we keep on reminding the SP of this directive. We will come during Christmas time, and I request the press to come with us along at that time also.
Most people don't have the sensitivity and the delicateness not to disturb other people's sleep. Every Ganesh outside my house, right up to 1 o'clock, crackers, bombs, and music, you know. I mean, don't they have any sense? There are senior citizens around. There's a hospital, this Imperial Hospital close by. Second point is about the SP. He's in contempt of court because Supreme Court has ordered that up to 10 o'clock is the restriction. So this year we are going to take action and phone him personally in case he does not act.